we're trying to figure out how long after he passed the gas station did Paul catch up with Mary. So how long? We're trying to find Paul's time. Well, we know that Mary travels 50 miles per hour and Paul travels 60 miles per hour. Paul passed the gas station. 15 minutes later, Paul passed the same gas station. Well, Mary has been on the road 15 more minutes than Paul because she's already passed the station. So let's let Paul's time be X and Mary's be X plus 1/4 because 15 minutes is 1/4 of an hour and our rate is miles per hour. We want to be using the same units. And we know distance equals rate times time. So this would be 50 times X plus 1/4. And this would be 60X. And when Paul catches up with Mary, we're talking about since they passed the gas station, here's Mary, Paul drives faster, zoom. When he catches up with her, their distances will be the same. So that's 50X plus 1/4 equals 60X. And that's 50X plus 2 we're going to 4 2 times, 2 we're going to 50 25 times. That's going to be 25 over 2 equals 60X. Now let's clear our fractions by multiplying everything by 2. It's 100X plus 25 equals 120X. I want to clear my fractions. I multiplied everything by 2. And now that's 25 equals 20X because I subtracted 100X from both sides. And that would be, let me move over here. That would be 25 over 20 equals X. And X is time, his time. And 5 are going to that 5 times, and 5 are going to 24 times equal X. That's 1 1/4. And how do they write their answers? So it's going to be 1 hour and 15 minutes.